Hi there, my name is Dr. Christopher Calarco with PI Expert Secrets. If you're a chiro who wants to get more PI patients, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn all about the best CE presentations that chiropractors can give for attorneys. Of course, there isn't time to share everything that you need to know about the subject. You're going to get some important basics that we're going to share here. And then at the end of the video, you'll find out how to get more information if you want it and you want to maximize personal injury as part of your clinic. So let's talk CE events and how you can get more PI patients into your practice and how they are a great catalyst to do that. So first, the audience. Attorneys, and not just attorneys, but personal injury attorneys needs to be your audience for these events. So how do you get them out? How do you get them engaged? And how do you keep them interested? You need to focus the theme of that topic on common auto accident injuries. Next, you want to develop the panel. The panel of speakers needs to include yourself and 2 to 3 other specialists who should be a part of your referral network. Which specialist should you invite is a common question that we get. And the answer is one for each region where you commonly see auto accident injuries. This is going to mean a clinical psychologist to address the TBIs, the concussions, the PTSD, the anxiety, the depression that commonly occurs after an accident. Next, you want to make sure you have an orthopedic spine surgeon to discuss co-management of the basically the pathology that you're going to see in the spine, along with your musculoskeletal expertise, related to that spinal column. Finally, a pain management specialist is going to be important to discuss medication management, injections, and other treatment modalities that are commonly utilized after a car accident. If you do not have access to these specific specialists and to these type of healthcare providers, you need to work on developing your healthcare teams in order to position yourself as the go-to for PI treatment in your community. That is going to be crucial. Keep in mind, this is not an exhaustive list. You can develop your panel however you see fit by slotting in and out different providers. For example, let's say maybe you have a podiatrist that you work with closely. You can utilize that podiatrist for common foot and ankle injuries that you see after a car accident, or it may be an orthopedic surgeon who works in the extremities, who can discuss common shoulder or arm injuries that you see due to the seatbelts, due to upper extremity flailing, that can commonly occur during a crash, unfortunately. So the bottom line, you have to have your team ready, prepped, and excited to present to a group of hand-picked PI firms that would love the education and the face time with busy and quality docs like yourselves that are experts at personal injury, that understand treatment, that understand management and documentation, and everything that it takes to excel at PI. So hopefully you found this information helpful. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there's only time to get into certain details. It's really only the snowflake on the tip of the iceberg that we got into today. There's much more information available to you if you want it. So go ahead and take the first step. Go to piexpertsecrets.com, check it out. Wishing you guys great results and tremendous success in your practice. Cheers.